Hi everyone, my name is Jim Lewis. I'm the founder of Model Train Technology. Model Train Technology designs and manufactures lighting and animation products for model railroading. Our products are designed to be powerful, but extremely easy to use and very affordable. Our car lighting products allow you to install interior lighting into N and HO scale in just a few minutes. Our lighting animation products for the layout combine millions of special effects for both LEDs and fiber optic cable with the push of a few buttons on the keypad. I started designing all these solutions 2 years ago while I was building a new N-scale layout. One thing led to another, and now we have over 50 products covering N and HO. O and G scale are coming soon. Let's take a look at some of the installations. Here we have N scale, the two top pictures, and HO, the bottom two. Notice how evenly the light spills across the interiors of the cars. When we can, we add some fun details. The top right picture was meant to simulate FDR's train while he was stumping for election. That car has a porch light using an 0402 LED that's connected to the extra pads on our board. The red LEDs are separately controllable and can be solid, on, or blink. Here's a composite picture of the different size boards we manufacture. Note that we have two double row boards, one for N and one for HO. These are used in sleeper cars where a light down the center does a poor job of lighting the car. Each scale has a standard size board and a short board. The shorts can be used for baggage cars and European models. We sell a caboose kit that includes the board, an LED for lighting the cupola, red lanterns, and our floating brass, which is used to pick up the electricity from the wheels. Switching over to our lighting animation controllers, these greatly simplify lighting that enhances the layout. We have two types, LED and the first fiber optic lighting controller, which is the middle picture. First, the LED controller is plug compatible with all Woodland Scenics products, but you can also attach just about any kind of LED you might like. Each port is individually dimmable and animatable. There are 18 core special effects that can be assigned to any port and have adjustments for speed, randomness, and brightness. There are more than 5 million possibilities on a single controller, but you only need a couple of button clicks to activate them. No soldering, no programming, no fuss, great animation. There are two models of the fiber controller, one with 16 ports that has the same functionality I just described, but instead of LEDs, you plug in fiber optic cable. Special pins hold the fiber in place. The second version has 8 ports and 3 special effects. One of our reseller partners sells this version. For those a bit more adventurous and the spirit and skill to solder, we make a micro version of our controller that fits inside the building. The lower right picture shows the styrene room divider and the controller mounted on the top, which is inside the roof of the building on the left. A version of this presentation will be available here, and you can see the animation in action. The capacity per controller is 1 amp. We used a combination of chip LEDs and pre-wired 0402 LEDs dipped in gallery glass to give you that yellow porch light effect. Here's a sample of the store demo unit we provide to dealers. We set the controller to the flicker speed, the street lights, blink and flash the lights on the car, and randomly turn off the room lights. In the top right, you can see there's a TV on. We have a TV simulation that uses a red, green, blue LED. We manufacture pre-wired LEDs with JST plugs or without the plugs. They're $1.50 each versus $4 or more for other models from other vendors. They're available in 4 colors of white, and we have, as I mentioned, the RGB that we use for the TV simulation. This is a customer layout. He utilized 3 controllers. It's pretty spectacular. By the way, all our lighting animation controllers have a built-in DCC decoder. It can behave as a multifunction or accessory decoder. You don't need DCC to run the controller, but if you want to, you certainly can. Here's another customer picture. The controller includes a fade timer for the street lights and for timing for the arc welding that's in the back. In this case, the streetlights fade on and stay on for a amount of time and then fade off. The duration of both on and off can be as long as 18 hours or as short as a few minutes. The special effects that are included in each controller are the following: on, flicker, blink, beacon, fade, random, step, chase, race, synchronized alternate flashing, TV simulation, Mars lighting, arc welding, lighting, and comet. In the top left is an HO caboose in the final stages of the installation of our light board, and below is a 3D printed lantern that we provide with the kit. Lastly, using the same design and technology we use for the fiber lighting controller, we have a fiber dongle that allows you to connect fiber optic cable to our standard LED controller, so you can mix and match LED and fiber together. Here's where to find us, but if you forget, you can type Model Train Lighting and Animation into Google. We will be listed in the top 5 results. Our catalog of products is brand new, and we use a technology called Flipbook to render it on the screen. It's like viewing on an iPad without the iPad. Thank you very much for listening, and thank you to John and the Amherst Railway Society for allowing us to present today.